Comment? Just here.
So when someone is talking about a gut feeling, where is that located?
Yeah, see, it's interesting when people say gut feelings, whatever. Well, it's interesting where they come from. Now, some of them can come from your soul. But also you've got to remember that your soul is able to connect to other people's souls. So it could also come from like a spirit who also has a gut feeling and is trying to give you a feeling, right? So we're not independent creatures in the sense that we can't communicate with each other. We are able to communicate, but not just on an intellectual level. We can connect soul to soul. So Mary and my combined soul has the ability to connect to you and whoever your soulmate is, combined soul. And we're able to transmit feelings to you, and you're able to transmit feelings to us, and you're also able to transmit thoughts via the mind to us. And in the spirit world, you sort of receive them as packages sitting above the mind of the individual to receive. And you can have thousands of them, like from all different people, friends, whatever. So let's say I live in, Alphatoria or whatever. I'm in a place in the spirit world like thousands of light years away, and you want to have a chat with me. Well, you just send me one of these packets, right? And that packet, depending on your development, will arrive one or two ways. If your development is under the sixth sphere, it's going to be an intellectual packet that takes the speed of light to arrive, which means if the person's a long way away, it's going to take a while to get there. Or if your development is higher than that, it takes no time to arrive. It's not bound by time. So you have the thought transmitted to me, I receive it straight away, and I go, I'll go and see you. And we can meet up wherever, and we can tee all that up without needing to see each other. Yeah? Now, that ability is in all of you still, but these are part of the soul and spirit body's abilities that most of us are in complete denial of. And we don't use them. But we could develop them.